Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore broken links after redesign in Squarespace, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore broken links after a redesign in Squarespace, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to work on. Click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. From the Settings menu, select Advanced. Now, choose the option labeled Link Checker. This tool will scan your website for any broken links. Once the scan is complete, review the list of broken links provided. Take note of the URLs that are affected. For each broken link, decide whether to update or remove it. To update a link, navigate to the respective page in your Squarespace site. Edit the content block that contains the broken link. Replace the incorrect URL with the correct one. If you need to remove the link, simply delete the hyperlink from the text. After making your adjustments, be sure to save the changes. Next, revisit the link checker tool to scan again. Verify that the previously broken links now work correctly. If there are still broken links, repeat the same process. For links that point to external resources, consider reaching out to the owner of that resource. You may also consider using 301 redirects for any URLs that have permanently changed. To set up a redirect, go back to the Settings tab. Select SEO from the menu. Find the option for URL mappings. Enter the old URL and the new URL you want visitors to go to. Save your changes to finalize the redirect. Once all links are verified and redirects are set, perform a thorough check of your entire site. Navigate through your pages to ensure all links are functioning properly. This will help improve user experience and maintain your site's SEO. Remember to regularly check for broken links, especially after making updates or redesigns. With these steps, you should effectively restore broken links on your Squarespace site after a redesign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.